Did you know the humble fork can unlock a world of smartphone hacks? The fork may seem like a simple utensil, but its versatility can surprise you. In fact, a fork can even help you charge your phone faster. Sounds incredible, it's true. You see, the fork's prongs can create a makeshift antenna to boost your phone's signal. But that's not all. The fork can also help you hack your way to better phone photography. Imagine being able to take stunning macros without any additional equipment. It's all about leveraging the fork's unique shape and material properties. For instance, you can use the fork to create a mini DIY reflector for your phone's camera. But that's not the strangest part. The fork can even help you create a surprisingly powerful microphone. Wait until you hear what comes next. You can use the fork to amplify the sound of your phone's built-in speaker. It's like having a miniature speaker system in the palm of your hand. To do this, simply place the fork near the speaker and adjust its position for optimal results. And then something unexpected happened. The fork even helped a group of engineers improve their phone's water resistance. They used the fork's shape to create a custom phone case that could withstand water and other liquids. Scientists discovered that the fork's prongs can create a unique resonance that helps water molecules disperse more efficiently. It's like a miniature shock absorber for your phone's electronics. But that's not the end of the story. The fork can even help you improve your phone's battery life. By using the fork as a makeshift heat sink, you can dissipate heat more efficiently and reduce battery drain. It's a simple yet effective hack that can make a big difference in your phone's performance. If you're wondering how this works, it's actually quite straightforward. The fork's material properties allow it to absorb and dissipate heat more effectively than many commercial heat sinks. It's like having a miniature heat exchanger in your phone's body. But what about the impact of these hacks on your daily life? Well, by using the fork to improve your phone's performance, you can stay connected and productive on the go. You can take stunning photos, charge your phone faster, and even use it as a makeshift microphone or speaker. The possibilities are endless, and it's all thanks to the humble fork. So, the next time you reach for your fork to eat a meal, remember its incredible versatility. You never know when it might come in handy as a smartphone hack. Want to learn more about these hacks and others like them? Are you surprised by the fork's capabilities? Like and comment below to let us know what you think. Are you surprised by the fork's capabilities? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.